Eldest daughter syndrome, also known as oldest sibling syndrome, is a common experience among firstborn daughters who often feel burdened by extra responsibilities and the pressure to please others. Symptoms include perfectionism, anxiety, burnout, and difficulty setting boundaries. Parentification, where children take on adult tasks, can lead to insecure attachment styles and stress, and firstborn daughters often shoulder more of these household and caregiving responsibilities than their brothers. To cope with eldest daughter syndrome, it's important to delegate tasks as you can, prioritize self-care, set boundaries with loved ones, and make time for fun and relaxation. Therapy can also be beneficial in addressing any lingering effects of challenging childhood experiences. By reflecting on their inner children and seeking professional help, eldest daughters experiencing the negative effects of this phenomenon can work towards healing and reclaiming their sense of self.